Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this part. This part is a SolidWorks CSWA exam file part. Let's try to make it and learn how to make it. So let's start. This is simply 213 from here and 200 from here. This main plate is 200 and 230, and let's start with the main plate. File new, on the top plane I will make a rectangle, center rectangle. Let's give it a dimension. The dimension is 200 and 213. 200 and 213. $13mm. Extrusion is 10mm. 25mm, sorry. Let's extrude it up to 25mm. Okay. Now let me remove this color first, and also the real view. It makes problem to see clearly. So now let's draw some sketch over here. I will draw a line from here and it will convert into an arc, and then I will go back there. Okay, let's give it a dimension of 80mm and 80mm. This is 170. The sketch is fully defined. Let's check. This is 170 and 170 from here. I'll offset it 15mm offset. Let's offset it. Let's offset it. Offset 15mm. This is the right side. Okay, let me close the boundaries from here to here and from here to here. This is defined. I will leave it like that. I won't extrude it because I know there are some changes in the future, so I will make on this plane I will make a cylinder as per drawing and give it a dimension of let's check what's the dimension. Dimension is 70mm from outside and 41 from inside. 70 and 41. Let's give it 70 first. This is 70, and height is from there to there, from here to here. This is 95mm. 95mm. Okay, and also from here to here is 170, which is in the 170 minus 7.5 minus 7.5, which is half of the 15 of this wall. I'm going to extrude it. Okay, now let's extrude this. Sketch is fully defined. Let's extrude it. 10 millimeter from here. I will offset 10 millimeter and 130 from this side. 10 millimeter from this wall out and 130 millimeter back side. Okay, I will draw another cylinder over here. I will draw another circle over here. Let's draw. This is 84, I think. This is 83 and 41. 83 millimeter. This is 83. Same distances from here to there is 95. Same, and same from here, from here to this point, 170 minus 7.5, the half of which is going in the center of this wall. Okay, I will extrude it. Sketch is fully defined. Let me extrude it. Offset 10 millimeter on the front and 130 from the back. Okay, this is 10 millimeter and 130 from back. Okay, that. Now we are ready to extrude this. Sketch, feature, extruded base boss, 95 millimeter. 95 millimeter from offset from surface, from this surface, reverse. This is 95 millimeter because in the drawing it is 95 from the base. 95 from the base. Okay, so this will come into in the center of these cylinders. Okay, now I will draw a sketch here, from here to there, and give it a fillet of 15 millimeter. I think this is 9 millimeter offset from here. 15 millimeter. Yes, here it is. 15 millimeter. 15 millimeter radius. 15. Okay. Okay. I will extrude it. Let me give the dimension first. Normal. Let me give the dimensions first. This is 60 by 60. Okay, 60 from here and 60 from here. Okay, the sketch is fully defined. Let's extrude it. I will extrude it from the base, from the surface, from this reverse direction, 35 millimeter. This is 25 and this is 35. 10 millimeter it is extruded above from this plane. Okay, as per drawing. Now let me make a hole here. There is a hole of, this is the hole. We can make any hole, any kind of hole, or let me check it first. Maybe it's given somewhere. No, it's not given. Okay, let's make a hole of 8 millimeter normal. through all, socket head cap screw, M8 normal, position, here its position is 30 and 30, is in the middle, 30 from here, 30 and 30. Okay, let's OK it. The hole is created. Now let's offset entities. Let's offset features. I will draw a sketch over here and offset it. Offset 9 millimeter. Reverse. Okay. The sketch is fully defined. I will fillet it later. Let's cut it. It is 20 millimeter deep, but it is 5 millimeter from the base. I will take it for offset from this and 5 millimeter and reverse direction. Offset from surface 5 millimeter. Okay, okay, that. Not extrude, sorry, I extrude it. I have to sketch. I got to features. I'll cut extrude, sorry. Cut extrude from this surface, offset from this surface 25 millimeter. Okay. Let me give fillet of where is the fillet? R10, 10 millimeter radius fillet. Fillet. Okay, I'll select all these and 10 millimeter. Okay, that this is complete. Now let's make some holes here of 41 millimeter. Through hole, extruded cut through hole. Okay, and now over here I have to make another cut, another hole of 41 millimeter as per drawing, 41 millimeter, and extruded cut through all or up to next, or through all is better. Okay, there is some chamfer, I think, here. Chamfer of this is 2 millimeter chamfer of 45 degree. Let's chamfer it here, 2 millimeter here and in this hole. Okay, now the part is complete, only the fillets are left. I will give the fillets of 10 millimeter. This suits me, it's okay. 10 millimeter fillets. The part is complete. Now comes the change in this part. There is a cut here. I have to make a cut here, so that's why I made the cylinders first and extrude this wall later. So let me give it a color first. Let me give it a color of something like that. This is not good. That is better. That is better, I think. This is as per drawing. The color is as per drawing also. Okay, that. Now comes the change. For change, I have to go back. Now, here is the change. There is 10 millimeter cut from here to this. This is 10 millimeter. 10 and 30 from here and 30 wide. In the drawing you can see this is the cut here. It is 30 from front and 30 millimeter wide long. Okay, let's cut it. Cut, extrude, flip side to cut, 30 millimeter and offset 30 millimeter, reverse direction. Okay, that this looks okay. Okay, so, excuse me, Control Z. Let me cut it again. 30 millimeter, offset 30 millimeter, reverse direction. Okay, cut, extrude, cut, extrude, flip side to cut. Okay, this is the cut we were looking for. Everything will remain the same. There is no problem here with the wall. That's why I made this first and extrude the walls later. Only one thing is left. There is no in this next drawing there is no such thing like this extrusion here, so I will suppress it. Continue. Okay, there is a fillet problem. Okay, I'll go to fillet and repair the fillet like so. Okay, yes, and there is also a depression here, so let's draw and offset. Reverse. For 9 millimeter is okay. Add dimension, select chain. It's not chain. I have to select it one by one, so offset. I don't know why it is getting all this. Anyway, it's not a problem. Okay, normal 2. I will draw a line from the quadrant to there and from the quadrant there. I will trim it. I will trim all these things. I will trim this, I will trim that and this, and also these two and this and this. Okay, this is also 20 millimeter deep, 5 from the bottom. Let's cut it. Offset from surface, reverse direction, select the contour, this contour, reverse direction, 5 millimeter. Okay, this is okay. Now all is left is to give the fillets of 10 millimeter here. Sorry, there was a problem. I should have to cut extrude later. I will delete this and repair the sketch first. There is a problem. I will delete this and I will use trim entities, extend these and trim. Now we are ready to cut it. Cut extrude from the offset from surface, this, and contour, selected contour is this. This is okay. I did. Now it's okay. Let's fillet it. 10 millimeter and this. Okay, now the part is complete. The second change is complete. So this is a very simple exercise. It is a SolidWorks Associate Exam file. You can practice it and do the exam. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.